inspiration in nature. Once man saw a snail drowning into water. A leaf was floating on the surface of water. And one day the man saw the snail falling on the leaf. This time the snail did not drown, but it floated on the face of the leaf. With this, the man made a raft and helped himself and his belongings to be carried along the water. But with more number of people, more load, the raft would drown. Man had to find out something else, something better, something more trustworthy. Folding the edges saves the raft and it doesn't drown. Man had made something we now know as boat. Man found his inspiration in nature.